Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Irman Gansa. I will present the result of our research about management of village-owned enterprise. Background: in the regulation of the Ministry of Village Development of Disadvantaged Area and Transmigration Number 4 of 2015 concerning the establishment, management and disbanding of village-owned enterprise. It is stated that village-owned enterprise hereafter referred to as BUMDes are business entities that are wholly or most of the capital owned by the village through direct participation originating from separated village assets in order to manage assets, service, and other business for the maximum welfare of the village community. Village-owned enterprise BUMDesa are village business institutions managed by the community and village government in the effort to strengthen the village economy and are formed based on the needs and potential of the village. In line with this, many efforts have been made by the Tambiski Nauli village government, Nagajuang District, Mandailing Natal Regency, to improve the village economy for the welfare of the community. One of these efforts is to establish village-owned enterprise BUMDesa in line with the objective of establishing BUMDesa listed in the regulation of the Minister of Village Development of Disadvantaged Area and Transmigration Number 4 of 2015 is no increase village original income. BUMDes was founded of the entity of the government and the village communities based on the village unique potential. This potential can be developed by using local resources, both natural and human. The BUMDesa business districts that have been established in Tambiski Nauli village are Taratak Business and Fertilizer Shop. Of the two BUMDesa business units that have been formed, based on the result of village meeting attended by the village head, the village consultative body, as well as representatives from the community in parties, they still encounter many problems. The problem dates are that the management ability of the BUMDesa manager is still low. Then the village head and the village consultative body do not carry out their function as control over the business because after the business has been established and the management has been determined, business capital has been given to the manager. The village head and the village consultative body no longer exercise control over the two business units and the BUMDesa. Chairman has also never reported the business being carried out well to the village head, village consultative body and also the community based on other observation of the existing business units. One of them is not running as expected, namely and the Taratak business. and other business is still running but not maximally. Research purpose. Research purpose. 1. Analysis BUMDes management in Tambis-Kinauli village, Nagajuang district, Mandailing Natal Regency. 2. To analyze the obstacle faced in the management of BUMDesa in Tambis-Kinauli village. Research method. The research method used is qualitative. The method of data collection is done by interview and observation through file research. The research informant were the village heads, village consultative body, community leader, and youth leader. Research result. The research result obtained. So, 1. The management of BUMDesa in Tambis-Kinauli village is not optimal. The BUMDesa that has been formed has not had a major effect on improving the community economy. The management carried out by BUMDesa manager is not yet structured and not well directed. The role of the village head, who has a control function in the management, is not optimal. This can be seen from the two existing business units, namely the Tara-Tarak business and the fertilizer shop. The Tara-Tarak business, which is a type of rent and share rental business, is not running well, and even the business seems to be not working, and no one is renting anymore because there are many of the same business, but in the term of better quality and service, so that the inventory of this business is used by the public for the public interest. From this effort, it can be seen that the selection of the type of business is not right. In fact, there are many better business to establish the directly affect the community economy, such as village banks. The second type of business is fertilizer shop. Until now, the business is still running. However, from the management aspect, the business is not well managed. BUMDesa, which is a village-owned business and was founded on the basis of the wish of the community, but the fertilizer shop is like its own business. It can be seen that there is not reporting made by BUMDesa management to the village head, village consultative body, and also the community. On the other hand, the village head, the village consultative body, never requests a report from the chairman of the BUMDesa, so it's not actually know that the business is making a profit or a loss. From the management of the BUMDesa, it seems that it's difficult to develop due to various obstacles. From the result of the research, it's known that the position faced in BUMDesa management include the lack of creativity of the manager is developing BUMDesa, so that in choosing a BUMDesa business is not right, and finally, one business unit does not run anymore. The weak management ability of the manager result in the business not developing optimally. BUMDesa manager do not understand how to develop a business and get maximum benefit. Another obstacle is the absence of control either from the village head, the village consultative body, and or the community, so that the absence of the control makes the business run without direction, and the goal of establishing BUMDESA as one of the PA Desa and improving the community economy is not achieved. Conclusion. From the result of the research, the author concluded: 1. The management of BUMDESA in Tambis Kinauli is not optimal. The BUMDESA that has been formed has not had a major effect on improving the community economy management career. All by BUMDESA manager is not yet instruction and not well directed. The role of the village head, who has a control function in management, is not optimal. Obstacle heads in the management of BUMDESA include the lack of creativity of manager in developing BUMDESA, weak management skill, and weak coordination. That's all, and thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.